Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error could not load the default credentials. So I am getting this error in my Gemini AI API code, and the reason why we are getting this error is because we haven't added our Gemini AI API key over here. So here I am having my Node.js code, and here we need to pass our Gemini AI API key. So to get the API key, you just need to search for Google AI Studio, select the first link, and here we will be having get API key, and make sure that you have signed in with your Google account also. Click it, and here you are having create API key. Select the project and create API key. Copy it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. And now come here, it's going to be API with a camel case API key colon, and within double quotes you want to paste your API key. You can just have it within environment variable and access it. So I'm saving it now, and let me just rerun it. And as you can see, I have got the response from the model for this question. And in case if you want to see the latest code, here you are having the documentation, and here we will be having the sample code and stuff. In case if you want to check if there is any library updates, click on libraries, and we'll be having for different languages the library that they have upgraded from the old one to the new one. We are also having the command and ways to set it up also. So that's the video guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.